afternoon, M4413. Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon. I am Kimberly Bipanit, 32 years old. I am single and I have two kids, ages 6 years old and 5 years old.
Okay. Ma'am Kimberly, based on your biodata, I see you have experience here in the Philippines, somewhere in, the first one is in La Union. So what is your main duty and responsibility in La Union?
My main duty and responsibility as housemaid in La Union is taking care of the kids, sending him to school and picking up after school.
Okay, as you mentioned, you took care of a child. So what is their age?
8 years old.
Okay. Okay, the other one is in Isabela. So what is your main duty and responsibility in Isabela?
My main duty and responsibility in Isabela is taking care of the kid and the baby.
Baby, okay.
Just 3 months.
Okay. What about the other one? The children, what is their age?
I took care of the children 6 years old.
So, how many members of the family in Isabela?
4 members, 2 adults, 1
Okay.
children, and 1 baby.
What about the La Union?
3 members.
So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for my family future and have savings for my kids.
Okay. So, what did you do if the newborn is crying?
I will check the baby if she is hungry or is feeling sleepy or she has a fever.
Okay. So, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I will finish my contract in Hong Kong for 2 years.
So, are you willing to co-work with other helper?
Yes.
I see you have long hair. Is it okay to you to cut in the short?
Yes.
Okay. What about share room with kids?
Yes.
Learn Chinese if the family member cannot speak English.
I will try to learn.
Okay. So, are you accept the holiday setup by the employer?
Yes.
Work on Sunday.
Yes.
Can you sing a nursery rhyme?
Yes.
Okay, sing it.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, the last is, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer in Hong Kong, please accept me to be your helper because I am kind, responsible, and hardworking woman. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.